Videocast.
You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Monday after emerging market concerns eased. There was no data because it was a holiday in the US. The greenback ended the day 1.3705 to the euro and 101.93 to the yen. Today's data includes Empire Manufacturing in February, net long-term TICs, the trade balance in financial assets, which are expected to show surplus of 30 billion, and the NAHB Housing Market Index, also in February, which is expected to remain at 26. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Monday after lack of data and a holiday in the US led to light trading. Support continued to come from Friday's strong GDP data, which showed growth in most of the countries in the eurozone. The single currency ended the day 1.3705 to the dollar and 139.72 to the yen. Today's data includes the ZEW Sentiment Survey for February. British pound. The pound weakened on Monday after traders decided to book their profits following the recent rally and due to commentary from the leading think tank, which was critical of the recovery, arguing exports remained as low as they had been during the financial crisis. Sterling ended the day 1.6703 to the dollar and 0.8203 to the euro. Today's data includes January CPI, which is expected to remain at 2%. Japanese yen. The yen fell against most counterparts on Monday after the release of GDP figures showed a marked slowdown in the growth in the fourth quarter. The Japanese currency ended the day 101.93 to the dollar and 170.27 to the pound. Today's data includes the Bank of Japan Economic Report and the All Industrial Activity Index in December. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3685 with targets at 1.374 and 1.377 in extension. Below 1.3675, which will look for further downside with 1.365 and 1.362 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6066 with targets at 1.6076 and 1.6825 in extension. Below 1.6066, which will look for further downside with 1.6605 and 1.6555 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 101.95 with targets at 102.75 and 103.05 in extension. Below 101.95, which will look for further downside with 101.75 and 101.5 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets4you. Have a great day.